Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Michael with Elite Custom Golf Carts. Today we're going to do a quick video and show you how to install a golf bag attachment on a Terra 2+2 model. So here on the ground we got our Terra golf bag attachment. So this is going to be your upper bag straps and bracket, and then your lower straps and lower bracket to hold your golf bags. And this is going to be the hardware that comes with the kit. So we got a couple tools here. We got a drill with a 13mm. We have a 13mm wrench, and then a socket with a 13mm socket on there. So we are going to start putting this on and show you how to get it put together. The first thing we're going to do is you got your lower bracket here. So this is going to be the first piece that we're going to install. But I'm going to go ahead and just pop this piece on there real quick. That way when we put it on, we don't have to worry about popping that on there. Okay, so when you put this bottom bracket on, you just want to make sure that these clasps are facing the rear of the golf cart and the straps are going to be facing the front of the golf cart. Okay. So we got this little plastic cover back here that we got to take off to be able to get your bag holder plate on there. And there's 2 black screws right on this back plate here that we just got to take out. We're going to take those out, and then this piece will just pop right off. And then we are going to use these 2 existing bolts here. We're going to take those bolts out and put them back through, and then this is going to sit down in there. Right in there. And then we're going to take the nuts that we just pulled out. And the last thing for the bottom is this little bracket is going to go up underneath. So it goes right here. And then in your kit, you're going to have one bolt that's longer than all the other bolts. That bolt is going to be the bolt that goes down through the bag holder plate and goes through the bracket below. All right, that's just got that secured to your bottom safety bar down there. And now we're going to start on the top pieces. So these are your top straps right here, and then these are going to be the plate that's going to sit just like that. There is a threaded hole on the top, so you can see that top hole is threaded, and then the bottom's just open. So you definitely want to make sure that threaded one goes at the very top. And you're going to put this around and then just sit this right on top there. And we're going to put our 2 threaded bolts in first. We're just going to snug these up a little bit. I'm not going to tighten them all the way down until the very end. So this little U-hook right here is going to go right around that center bar. Okay, so we got those started, and then we're going to do our 2 balls right here. Should have brought a golf bag to put on here. All right, so we got all our bolts started. Now we're just going to go back and tighten everything up. All right. So that's pretty much everything. So pretty easy install from start to finish. You can do it in probably less than 30 minutes. Quality wise, these are good solid steel golf bag attachments, and these clasps are really nice because they actually hold the straps really tight. But if you need one of these for your Terra golf cart, you can find it in the description below.